Yesterday, gold has created a bearish candle. The price has found enough strength to push the price below the very important smaller resistance level around 2636 I have mentioned yesterday. My goal was to see the price forming a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, but the price has found the strength to push the price down and also closed below the small support, and it has reached the next support, what I have mentioned yesterday, around this area, around 2618.75. It is a confluence of support, and we can see that the price has done that, and it has bounced from this area of support, and it's currently trying to make a return back up, and it's finding its way above this above 2636 resistance level, and then the next one will be around this area of resistance here around 2653.45. Now, on the lower time frame, yesterday I have seen a small bullish breakout that has been formed on a 1 hour time frame. It was around this area here, which has been shared with the traders inside the premium analysis, and since there the price has bounced back up and down, trying to make a bullish breakout above 2653.45. We can see that here, and then the price has returned back down, reaching this area of support here, and then it has bounced all the way back down to this support level, which is a confluence of support right here, which is a daily support level. From here now we can see that the price has bounced back up, and it's trying to make its way up, trying to make a bullish return, bullish breakout above 2636.83, which was a very important support level in the past. We can see that for several periods. So on the 4 hour time frame we can see also this area, which is a very important support level. Now the price is returning back up with this bullish pin bar, and also the analysis has been shared with the traders inside the premium analysis, what the price is expected to do, and also I have entered into the trade to see how the price behaves. And also I'm expecting to see the price reaching this area of resistance for now on the lower time frame. If the price changes its direction around this area, around this also resistance level, I also will check and also inform the traders inside the premium analysis so they are informed on time. So what we can expect, the price is still inside the range between this area of resistance and this area of support, and currently the price has bounced from this area of support, which is a confluence support with this trend line acting also as a support line, and there is area of this strong resistance that needs to be broken in order to continue to rise in value. Will the price manage to make a bullish breakout above this one? This is something that we need still to wait and see how the price behaves. So for now the price is still inside the range. We can see that for several days, almost 2 weeks. If we go to the weekly time frame, we can see that the price is trying to make a breakout from this area. What will happen? It's something to wait and also react after the market makes a move, not chasing the market and also predicting in front of the market where the breakout will happen. It is the best to wait and then follow the market, and even though it is a little step back, following the market, it is the best decision to follow in the direction of the breakout instead of making a prediction the breakout will happen here or here. So if you have any questions, feel free to share below in the comments. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.